Today we were going to DIY a KN95 mask with valve. Okay, so first we take one mask, then we cut it a hole. It's about 25 diameter. Okay, so now I make the hole already. It's the hole, so it is not so wrong. Then you can draw it, then do it. And then you will take the valve. It is 3 parts, okay? 3 parts. Then we put the silicone pad on the bottom, okay, like this way. Here is a pile, a hole. Then make it, okay? Then we put here across the hole. I think it's enough. Almost. Then make this part. Oh. Done. See? Finish it. Okay. This bar. So now we can breathe freely. Here, yeah, done. Bye.